The Mohu Leaf Plus? The ANTOP Smart BAR? Or Channel Master? Perhaps the GE UltraPro or the Antennas Direct ClearStream Eclipse? Which one should you buy? In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 indoor TV antennas available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best indoor TV antennas. The 5th product on this list is the Channel Master FLATenna. Looking to catch your favorite TV shows or radio programs without the hassle of climbing on your roof? An indoor antenna might just be the solution you're looking for. These nifty devices are perfect for those who want to receive transmissions without breaking the bank. Plus, you can set them up in the comfort of your own home. No need to brave the elements on your roof. This antenna is the perfect solution for those living in apartments or condos with no cable outlet, or who need more signal than a traditional outdoor antenna. It is a dual-sided strain relief flatten with a 90-degree elbow on each side. It is designed for easy wall or window mounting to your HD television, digital video recorder, audio or video receiver, and other devices that accept F-type connections. Also, it can pick up signals within a 35-mile radius, making it pretty comprehensive. Moreover, its tight directional design focuses on your reception and makes it easier to get a signal. It's ultra-thin, only 17% thicker than a standard paperclip, and unlike other bulky antennas, this fits discreetly behind your TV or high up on a wall or window. What's more, this quad-shield broadcast quality digital television antenna has a built-in underwriter's laboratory to meet stringent product requirements and give you years of service. We also like its long-distance reception of air broadcasts in rural areas and on city streets. Furthermore, it has a sleek black or white finish that blends into any decor, so it looks great in any environment while reducing visual clutter. This quality product provides an easy solution for customers new to over-the-air TV and frustrated with getting their local stations. It's ideal for setting up in your living room or bedroom to expand your watching options. Its pros are: it's paper thin and able to pick up signals within a 35-mile radius. It's pulled in all major local channels with consistent quality, and it has a detachable cable and a reversible black and white design. However, the 3 adhesive tags that come with this unit are a bit hit or miss, so you may want to purchase some stronger ones. The Channel Master FLATenna is a must-have for those living in urban areas where the broadcast TV signal is weak or obstructed by buildings and trees. Up next in 4th place is the Antennas Direct ClearStream Eclipse. This unit is the ultimate in performance and ease of installation with the paper-thin design, featuring a patented loop instead of a bulky stick. It's easy to install, eliminating the need for tools or drilling holes in your windows. The Jolt technology provides instant TV power-saving capabilities for a green installation without compromising performance. This high-performance indoor TV antenna offers multi-directional reception and clear HD 1080i video from local broadcast channels, up to 50 miles away from any direction, making it perfect for today's modern homes with multiple access points inside or outside the house. Moreover, it can be mounted indoors on a wall or window with peel and stick mounting strips included in the package. Its powerful signal pulling capabilities make it an excellent choice for those living within range of their favorite stations, including fringe areas where reception needs to be fixed. We also like that the amplified signal consists of a 15 decibel inline amplifier that requires no external power source but draws power directly through a USB cable connected to your television. Furthermore, this antenna is suitable for rural, suburban, and urban settings and grips the wall with the patented loop design. This means you'll get ultra-crisp, high-definition content, free network programming, and no monthly fees. All in all, this antenna is engineered for exceptional performance and designed for longevity. Its pros are: it comes with a 12-foot coaxial cable and an installation process of about 2 minutes. It has an amplifier that should allow you to receive signals within a 50-mile range. And it uses a USB for power and can plug into the USB outlet on your TV if it has one. However, if local broadcast stations are at a low elevation, you may have issues with the signal breaking up during heavy rain. The Antennas Direct ClearStream Eclipse is the perfect indoor installation option. It's designed to provide a broad reception range no matter where you live. Still haven't found an indoor TV antenna that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the GE UltraPro Hover Bar. This next unit is compatible with pretty much all TVs, providing high-definition digital reception on Fox, NBC, ABC, and PBS channels. With the long-range indoor amplified HD digital TV antenna, you can discover channels you never knew existed. Its revolutionary design increases mounting options to optimize signal reception, ensuring you always have a great picture and can enjoy the best television shows, sporting events, and news in high definition. Moreover, the antenna offers flexible placement options, allowing you to position it in an optimal location to receive signals from broadcast towers up to 55 miles away from the most robust local broadcast towers. We like that the intelligent and durable design makes it suitable for both outdoor and indoor use in all weather conditions. With over 40 miles of range and full 1080p digital TV reception, the Smart HD antenna provides high-quality entertainment with no monthly fees. In addition, the antenna comes with free channel installation, a 5-foot coaxial cable, and a power adapter that connects to any television with an HDMI connection hole. The inside of every large surface area window serves as a powerful amplifier that boosts signals when they are blocked or when the weather deteriorates, ensuring the best possible picture quality. Overall, this Smart HD antenna has so many benefits and features that will surely bring high-quality entertainment to every corner of your home. Its pros are: its inline signal amplifier allows a 55-mile reception range. It has a unique design that can be mounted above your TV for optimized signal reception, and it offers superior reception for both VHF and UHF signals, receiving uncompressed 1080p signal, 4K where available, and the pure amp technology increases signal strength while reducing dropouts. However, it's not easy to hang, as it does not come with templates to place holes in the wall for screws. The GE UltraPro Hover Bar is an excellent addition to your entertainment center. It's a powerful option for anyone wanting affordable access to HD and even 4K channels. The second product on this list is the Mohu Leaf Plus. Looking to cut the cable and save money? This excellent amplified indoor TV antenna provides a simple solution. With a 60-mile range and optimized dimensions, it quickly picks up stations in full 1080p high definition without the need for a cable or satellite subscription, including ABC, CBS, NBC, PBS, Fox, and more. Easy to use, it comes with 16 feet of detachable coaxial cable, hooks, loop tabs, and push pins that allow you to attach the antenna directly to any wall or shelf. Plus, with its 4,000 pixel ready first stage technology and reversible paintable design, this sleek addition to your home will blend seamlessly into any room while providing stunning picture quality and crystal clear audio. What's more, the amplifier boosts the signal strength by 15 decibels, eliminating static, distortion, and interference while pulling in more signal regardless of where you live. Its ultra-lightweight and compact configuration makes it easy to place just about anywhere, behind a picture frame, flat on a desk, or wall-mounted. Quick to install with no assembly required, it's perfect for city and suburban homes, dorm rooms, workshops, and even RVs. In conclusion, with this amplified high-definition TV antenna, you can be sure your home entertainment experience will never be the same again. Enjoy maximum power out of every signal broadcasted, and say goodbye to expensive cable and satellite subscriptions. Its pros are: it's thin enough that you can place it on the wall next to the wall-mounted flat panel with some double-stick tape, or behind the table-mounted TV on the wall. It has a 60-mile range from the broadcast towers in full 1080p high definition, and it's paintable and reversible so that it can blend in with your home decor. However, its power injector requires a USB port on your TV, so it won't work with older TVs. The Mohu Leaf Plus is a beautifully designed antenna that blends in with your home decor, making it the perfect solution for city apartments and suburban homes. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the top indoor TV antenna is the ANTOP Smart BAR. Introducing an exceptional unit that takes your television watching experience to the next level. This professional-grade indoor antenna is designed to receive free local over-the-air digital TV signals, bringing your favorite shows to your screen with crystal clear clarity. Equipped with a built-in smart boost system and an adjustment dial, this antenna can easily pick up even the weakest signals, ensuring you never miss out on your must-watch programs. With just a turn of the knob, you can extend your reception and access as many channels as possible, all without a cable subscription. What's more, the dual connectivity feature allows you to connect a second TV, FM stereo, streaming device, or projector, making it a versatile addition to your entertainment setup. One of the standout features of this antenna is its 4th-generation long-term evolution filter, which blocks unwanted 3G and 4G wireless signals to ensure noise-free digital TV reception and reduce picture pixelation. Plus, it can receive digital broadcast signals from networks of up to 80 miles away, making it ideal for those who live in more remote areas. Sleek and stylish, the black sculptural design of this antenna will complement any interior home style, whether you choose to set it up on a shelf or mount it on a wall. The bar design ensures the best placement options for maximum reception, and the adjustable gain control enables you to dial in all your channels, no matter where you are located. Finally, the alternating current power adapter provides energy-saving advantages and a clean entertainment system look, while the compact size of the antenna makes it easy to place anywhere in your home or office. Don't settle for a mediocre TV watching experience. Upgrade to this top-of-the-line indoor antenna today. Its pros are: its included signal amplifier has 2 outputs so that you can feed a TV and an FM radio or 2 TVs. It has a 30-inch bar that can be wall-mounted horizontally or stood vertically on a supplied plastic base. Its 4th-generation long-term evolution filter reduces interference from nearby cell phone towers, and it can receive digital broadcast signals from networks up to 80 miles away. However, its large size makes it tough to hide. The ANTOP Smart BAR is an intelligent choice for homes, apartments, dorms, and office buildings where only over-the-air channels are available. It's a simple and easy way to capture crystal clear high-definition TV signals from up to 80 miles away. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.